Hello, you are welcome to today's lesson. My name is Harrison and I'm still dealing with the binomial theorem. Today I'll be looking at the general form of the binomial theorem. As we can see on the board, the general form of the binomial theorem states that 1 plus x all raised by n is given by the formula 1 plus nx plus n bracket n minus 1 all over 2 factorial x raised by 2 plus n bracket n minus 1 into n minus 2 close bracket all over 3 factorial x raised by 3 plus dash dash dash, where n is any rational number, positive or negative, and x is numerically less than 1. Then I have an example. It said give as far as the x raised by 4 term the expansion of 1 over 1 plus x all raised power 3. So let's start. Now, this can be expressed as 1 over 1 plus x raised power 3 can be expressed as 1 plus x raised power minus 3. And then applying our formula there, applying this formula, we have this will be equal to 1 plus bracket minus 3 into x, or we can just write it as minus 3x, then plus minus 3 into minus 3 minus 1 all over 2 factorial, then x raised power 2. Coming back here, we have to come back here so that we'll continue. We'll come back here. Then followed by plus minus 3 into minus 3 minus 1 into minus 3 minus 2, close bracket, all over 3 factorial x raised by 3 plus minus 3 into minus 3 minus 1 minus 3 minus 2 minus 3 minus 3, then all over 4 factorial x raised by 4. Now, let me explain. You can see that if you check, our n is minus 3, and then our x is still our x. So anywhere we're supposed to have n, we have to be putting minus 3. That is why we started with this, because the formula says 1 plus nx plus n into n minus 1 all over 2 factorial. So this n being minus 3, that is here, and that is this. Then the other one, which is over 2 factorial, is this. Minus 3 into minus 3 minus 1, that is this, and so on. So let's move on from there. Okay, so moving on from there, the next step now will be, and that is equal to one plus, sorry, should be minus 1 minus 3x, then plus bracket to come here, this and this, minus 3 into minus 4. Where did we get minus 4? Minus 3 minus 1 is minus 4. All over 2 factorial 2 times 1. Then again, moving on, you pick this one, and that will be, let's just put our plus, minus 3 into minus 4 into minus 5. Then all over 3 factorial is 3 times 2 times 1. Then x raised power 3. Okay. And then finally, we have plus, we are coming here, minus 3 into minus 4 into minus 5 into minus 6. That is this, and this. All over 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. That is 4 factorial. And then moving on, now put your x raised power 4. X raised power 4. So we'll move on. We'll come over here again. To simplify. So simplifying that, we have coming here, simplifying that from here, we have 1 minus 3x. Coming back, this and this is 12. That should be plus 12 all over 2 times 1, which is 2. So we can just write it as all over 2. Then coming here, this is plus 20 minus 60. Minus 60 all over 3 times 2 times 4, that is all over 6. Then x raised power 3. This should be x raised power 2. X raised power 3. Then plus now. Coming down to the final stage. This time this, okay. This is 12 times this minus 60 plus 360. So that should be plus 360 all over, this is 12, 24. Then x raised power 4. So we can now simplify. We have 12 over 2 minus 60 over 6 plus 360 over 24. 360 over 24. Okay. So if we now divide, this is 1, this is 6. 6 is here is 1. 6 here is 10. Then 3 here, 8. 3 here, 120. 4, 2, 4, 30. 1 to 15. So we are now going to have our final answer as 1 minus 3x plus 6x squared, which is from here, minus 10x raised power 3. Let me cross-check, there's a mistake somewhere. This should be minus 60, not plus 60. Because the power shows that it's not an even number. Let's go back to that x raised power 3. This is x raised power 2. This power 3. So this and this. So it should be minus 60. Okay. That will give us minus 10x raised power 3 plus 15x raised power 4. Plus 15x raised power 4. So that is the final answer. Now, and then the expression the expansion is valid. The expansion is valid if minus 1 is less than x less than 1. So the expansion is valid if x lies between 1 and minus 1. Minus 1 less than x less than 1. So that is when the expansion is valid. So the expansion is valid if x lies between minus 1 and 1. So that's the end of that question. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. If there's any question, you put it in the comment section so that I'll look at it and find solution to it in my next video. Thank you.